Today I'm going to demonstrate how to make siakap sweet sour.
This dish is very famous among Malaysian and Chinese ethnic cuisine. So let's start with 1 large onion in a large dice cut. About that size. And then you're gonna prepare 1 or half cucumber in a dice cut, same identical as the onion. You need to scoop off the seeds. And then green bell pepper, large dice cut. And a pineapple. This one I have pre-cut, so I don't have to cut. And then a sea bass, 1 only. This one also has been cleared off. And optional, you can score the fish, and then we season with salt and turmeric to fry them. And then you add oil on a medium-high heat to fry the fish. Once done, we set aside in a large container, and then we prepare for the sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and 1.5 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of palm sauce and 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour. So once you add it all and mix, and add 2.5 cups of water on a low heat and stir them until they fully combine. And once they start to simmering, you add all the chopped ingredients and stir them for about 1 or 2 minutes to cook them. And then once done, you pour them on top of the fried fish that you fried earlier. And then that's it, you have done. You're ready to eat. So if you like this video, thank you, and please subscribe.